are a lifesaver.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to read the map while I'm driving. Yes. Oh, yes, and my coffee mug. It spills all over my pants.
Dude, you so need GPS. I mean, for real. Can we just dump them here?
People have seen us.
You're gonna flood it, man.
We're just gonna stay positive, right?
Damn it, see, you flooded it!
The RV is going to start now. It's gonna start, and we're gonna drive it over to your house. We're gonna drive it over there and park it overnight.
Oh, man, not my house!
Shut up!